In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Square payments on Weebly. Whether you're just launching your online store or simply updating your systems, integrating a trusted payment processor like Square can make a world of difference. So let's dive right into the process and get you set up smoothly. First things first, you'll need to head over to Weebly. If you haven't already, open your browser and navigate to the Weebly website. You can do this by typing Weebly login into your search engine, and it should be the top result. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with your site dashboard. From here, look for the Settings tab. It's usually located at the top menu bar, and this is where you'll find most of your site's administrative tools. Click on Settings to proceed to the next step. In the Settings menu, you'll need to focus on the Checkout section. Look for the option labeled Checkout. This is typically found in the menu on the left side of your screen. By clicking here, you'll access all your site's payment options and checkout settings, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments to your payment system. Now, once you're in the checkout section, there should be a prominent button that says Connect. Clicking on this button will begin the connection process for integrating Square payments with your Weebly site. And don't worry, this is a user-friendly process that doesn't require advanced technical skills. If you already have a Stripe account, you'll want to click the option that says, I already have a Stripe account. This option will allow you to seamlessly connect your existing Stripe account to your Weebly store. If on the other hand, you don't have a Stripe account yet, there's a straightforward alternative. Just click on Create a new Stripe account. This will guide you through setting up a new account from scratch. Finally, after you've either connected your existing Stripe account or created a new one, you'll need to click Connect again to finalize the integration process between Stripe and your Weebly store. This action will ensure that your payment gateway system is fully operational and ready for transactions. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully set up Square payments on your Weebly site. This integration is vital for ensuring a smooth transaction process for your customers and indispensable for anyone looking to run a professional online store. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online business.